They're working well. Oh my!
Look out! Darcinian down for the first time. Struggling to get to his feet. In terrible
cut for Donaire. Another counter punch. The left hook upstairs, and there goes Arce to the canvas on a quick short. Our fans seem to want this fight, and here's Donaire looking for the knockout, and Arce's down again. Second knockdown of the fight for Nonito Donaire.
This round.
Good right hand by Donaire. And another left uppercut.
Oh.
And down goes Arce at the knockout.
Yeah, then you see him lean to the left, just a little bit of a dip right there. Come with a beautiful left hook, a signature punch of Donaire's. He has one of the best left hooks in the business today. When he hits him with that, it's usually lights out.
I agree, this is his best punch, his counter left hook. He does it as well as anyone.
Well, actually, this was a lead left hook.
This is a lead left hook,
This wasn't even a counter, but I think he has one of the better left hooks in the business today.
Right, he can knock you out with either the lead or the counter. Arce just dropping his right hand and providing the target. What a shot.
Right hand. Oh! A beautiful left uppercut, and it sends Marquez down.
4, 5. And here's always. Oh, the left hook on the chin, and down goes Martinez again. Down goes Martinez for a second time. Away. Left hand, down goes.
It's cold outside.
Nishioka steps in with a combination.
And this is what Nishioka supposed to do around the... Oh, down goes...
There, but Nonito able to slip it.
Kind of stopped himself. Right?
Drives. Look at that. And Vargas around. Oh, just...
Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating ngayong matutunghayan ang 10 knockout wins mula sa ating batikang boksingero. Walang iba kung si Nonito Donaire. Pero kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, ay huwag mo na makalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload. Tulad nito, maraming salamat po. 1. Una sa listahan ay laban niya kay Hernan Marquez noong July 10, 2010. Na kung saan natikman ng kalaban ni Donaire ang malalakas na mga suntok mula sa ating bida. Atin tunghayang kung paano nga ba pinangat ang paa sa luna ang kanyang kabakbakan nang tamaan ito ng isang solidong uppercut ng ating bida.
Judges actually had nice left hook by Donaire. Marquez in trouble trying to hold on, and Donaire nails him with the left hand that puts him down for the first time in the fight. So he goes back to fighting orthodox.
But right now he is showing why a fighter like Marquez is not quite a match for him.
Marquez takes another left hook. Nonito Donaire.
Good to see him,
Flyweight world champion, his brother Jerry.
We're going to talk later about has been a great and has certainly helped him a lot with Donaire now building a big...
It switched over in the 5th and immediately recorded a knock. Since that 5th round knockdown, he's taken his time, worked on, used his jab, not in a rush. Here's a straight right hand landing. Left hook right hand. Oh! A beautiful left uppercut, and it sends Marquez down.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tiene que seguir. No. Se acabó.
And it's over.
2. Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay laban niya kay Raul Martinez noon April 19, 2009 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng malamasong kamao mula kay Donaire. Atin tunghayang kung paano nga ba 5 beses pinabagsak ng ating bida itong kontrabida sa ibabaw ng luna.
Got hit again. Down goes Martinez for a second time. So we'll see if Martinez can react with the power.
Moments where he looked a bit slower, but the problem
The left hand again. There's the power. Martinez just staggered. He's in big trouble. He's trying to stay away. The left hand, down goes Martinez again. For a guy that's undefeated coming in to be manhandled.
big punch to push Donaire off it.
Down to the body goes Donaire.
And the counter punch.
There's the uppercut.
3.
Ang ating pangatlo sa listahan ay laban niya kay Toshiaki Nishioka noong October 13, 2012 na kung saan pinaulan ito ng kaliwat kanan suntok mula sa ating bida. Atin tunghayong paano nga ba inawat na ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
All the weapons and all the tools and all the speed, but frustrated and make him make a mistake where I can counter it.
Exactly. It's cold outside.
Nishioka down. Short shot inside. Donaire steps in.
There it is again.
Trying to finish it.
He went for broke on that one.
Right hand over the top. Straight right. Nishioka. Left hand to the body by Donaire scores. That one was blocked. Nishioka steps in with a combination.
And this is what Nishioka likes to do around the
Oh, down goes Nishioka from a counter shot. Coming into this fight, you've been down 3 times.
4.
Ang ating pang-apat sa listahan ay laban niya kay William Prado noong March 28, 2015 na kung saan pinaulanan ni Donaire ng malalakas na suntok ang kanyang kabakbakan. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba inawat na lang ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi na lumala ang pinsala ng kanyang kalaban.
Grabe dugo. Ay, inawat na oh.
Ang ating panlima sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Anthony Sitol noong July 18, 2015 na kung saan inatake ito ni Donaire ng malamasong kamao ang kanyang kalaban. Atin tungayan kung paano nga ba 3 bisis pinadapo sa ibabaw ng luna ang kanyang kabakbakan.
shots that Nonito Donaire landed. So let's see if Donaire can stay under control here with 35 seconds to go in this round. He's right on top of him. He clipped him with a pretty solid right hand. Nice shot right on the belly button there. So Tool looks like he's hurting pretty much with 20 seconds to go in this round. Delayed reaction, something caught him to the my far left, and it looked like a right hand. And these body shots in the area of liver taking a toll as well on Satul.
Three, 4,
And 5, and 6,
6,
and 7, and 8. He's back up, and it's just about out of time in this round.
Box
There's the
time.
bell. So Tool will get his jab out there, but Nonito able to slip it. So for the third time in the fight,
3,
it's up to 3,
4,
and 4,
5,
and 5. Will he be able to get up? 6, 7, and he's back up at 8. So down that time by a right hand.
6.
Ang ating pang-anim sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay George Arce noong December 15, 2012 na kung saan pinauralan ito ng malamasong suntok ng ating bida. Atin tungayan kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo upang ipagpatuloy pa ang laban matapos itong tamaan ng isang solidong pamatay na kaliwa ng ating pambato.
Straight right hand. World, what's your take on Nonito Donaire?
I think it's good. Boy, I couldn't believe that hockey comeback pass.
Well, our fans seem to want this fight. And Donaire looking for the knockout, and Arce's down again. Second knockdown of the fight for Nonito Donaire, and Jorge Arce is rubbing a glove against his left eye.
Get to the end of this round.
Good right hand by Donaire. And another left uppercut.
Oh.
And down goes Arce on a brilliant left hook. And that just might be that. And it is. Referee look. Now 3 looks at the knockout.
Yeah, then you see him lean to the left, just a little bit of a dip right there, and come with a beautiful left hook, a signature punch of Donaire's. He has one of the best left hooks in the business today. When he hits him with that, it's usually lights out.
I agree, this is his best punch, his counter left hook. He does it as well as anyone.
Well, actually, this was a lead left
This
hook.
is a lead left
This
hook,
wasn't
yep.
even a counter, but I think he has one of the better left hooks in the business today.
Well, exactly right. He can knock you out with either the lead or the counter. Arce just dropping his right hand and providing the target. What a shot.
Wow.
7.
Ang ating pampito sa listahan ay laban niya kay Vic Dargenia noong July 7, 2007 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng malamasong suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba parang tinuklaw na kubra matapos itong tamaan ang pamatay ng ating pambato ng Pilipinas.
They are two different kinds of fighters. Glenn Donaire could pay dividends later in the fight. Donaire thinks he'll own the later rounds. In his last 12-round fight, Donaire against Oscar Andrade won the last 3 rounds dramatically to win that position. Working well. Oh my God! Dargenia down for the first time. Struggling to get to his feet in terrible shape.
8.
Ang ating pangwalo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Manuel Vargas noong February 13, 2010 na kung saan ginamitan ito ng malamanok na style ng ating pambato. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga pinahiga sa luna itong kanyang katunggali.
Just kidding.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All roundhouse shots from Vargas. Oh, and that's a bad move according to CompuBox. Look at that.
And I gave Vargas that round.
Oh,
Just kidding.
9, 10.
Ang ating pang-10 panghuli sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Bulan Dirmar Sidorinko noong April 12, 2010 na kung saan inatake ni Donaire ang pagmumuka ang kanyang katunggali. Ating tunghayan kung paano nga ba sinira ni Donaire ang pagmumuka ang kanyang kalaban sa ibabaw ng luna nang tamaan itong masulido ng kanyang kaliwa.
Another left. Trying to come back. Donaire with the time.
He's done.
Yeah, and he should finish the job. Left hook. And that left hook is his most powerful, but he strung some right hands together, not punching himself out. Vladimir Sidorenko is.
I mean, those are the shots that are actually being landed on top.
Each time he got hit hard, you could see the right leg.
I mean,
I'm glad you said that. This is a round judges should score 10-8.
but it may be a move.
And he's hurt again. He got hurt again.
Big right hand, right hand.
second round. All no need. I haven't seen him throw his right hand at all. But
Good. Now he is. A right followed by a left.
Be an excellent pass. His intentions are bad.
he's before this fight, and I'm glad he's carrying it out. But Donaire now, I would say, most safely of his opponent.
Salmo Moreno.
Boy, he's seen it that's the punch that actually hurt him. So that he's on the right hand right now. Kind of stopped himself right there.
Strives the Ukrainian.
I think that's enough. That is enough, folks.
That's it.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating 10 knockout wins mula sa ating batikang boksingero. Walang iba kundi si Nonito Donaire. Ikaw, idol, anong masasabi mo sa performance pinakita ng ating bida sa bidyong ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang bidyong ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!